Street rod time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1940 Chevrolet Special Deluxe 4-door sedan. Like I said, done up as a street rod. Now this particular car, if you want to get into the classic car hobby, hot rodding, get a street rod that won't break the bank, take a close look at this one. This is an all-steel car. Underneath the hood, 350 Chevrolet V8 powered, and that is paired up with a 350 automatic transmission. So turbo 350 auto underneath this, paired up with 350 V8 GM. Power steering, power brakes, also equipped with. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so I have some pictures under the hood so you can see the engine bay, underside of the car, the interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, as far as kind of got the old school hot rod look without the side panels so you can see the engine. And the side panels will also come with the car for the engine bay. They're actually wrapped up back here. I'll hit this real quick. Spare tire. The gentleman, it needs the headliner replaced. So he has the hardware as far as like the crossbows or what have you for the headliner. And he also kept the old one, so you'd have a pattern to go by. Want to use that. And then wrapped up, you can see with the side panels. Right here, 40 side panels wrapped up. A few miscellaneous parts, belt, some other stuff in that tub also. So I want to make you aware of that. As you can see, riding on steel wheels. Center caps, beauty rings. Nice look on this with kind of the two-tone burgundy and black going on. Paint, showable, again, not like a high-end frame-off restored Trailer Queen, but a presentable paint. But you are going to see flaws here and there in it. But overall, again, very presentable for this car being priced where it is at. Make somebody a cool car if they want to drive it. Like I said, get into the hot rodding hobby or used car hobby, classic car hobby, and not spend a ton, and maybe you want to upgrade it, take to the next level, and kind of make it yours. Perfect car for that too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the trunk release, this is not the handle that will release the trunk. It is over on this side, up kind of where the tailpipe is. There's a pull. So there's a wire pull that'll pull down, and the latch is actually on this side in the trunk. So there's a wire pull that's under more the passenger side, up underneath the deck just a little bit. Now remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Again, all steel, 1940 Special Deluxe Chevrolet Street Rod 4-door sedan. I'm going to go ahead and show you the rear seat in this one too. Now, some of this may look like stains, but it's more shadow than anything. Like this right there, that's shadow. It's not full of stains. And of course the front also. And again, you can see the steering wheel shadow there. That is not stains. Door panels, carpeting. Again, I mentioned it would need the headliner replaced. There you go. So you can see that. And there were the trim pieces for each side right along here. Those were wrapped up with the side panels for the hood. As you can see, a tilt column has been added to this. Different gauge cluster. Video gauges. Stereo added underneath the dash. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Always starts easily. Smooth runner. Appears all the gauges are working. Alright, slip to the back so you can hear this run. I'll pop the hood, check out that engine bay too. Nice little rumble coming out of the exhaust. 350 sounds good. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check out the motor, and peek over that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop. You can see we got a little chrome dress-up, Edelbrock, belt covers, air cleaner cover. Supposed to have an aluminum radiator added. The pull for the hood release right here. Again, power brakes, power steering. Remember, 350 paired with a turbo 350. Automatic transmission. Edelbrock intake and carb. See, it's a smooth runner. Sounds good. So there you have it. Like I said, looking at getting into kind of a street riding hobby. A little bit of a budget. Don't have to pay that 30, 40, 50 grand for a very expensive one. Here you go. Have a little fun with this 1940 Chevrolet Special Deluxe 4-door sedan street rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.